Applying for Medicare doesn't require waiting in line or dealing with complicated paperwork. You can do it in about 15 minutes at SSA.gov. Today I'll walk you through the exact steps, show you what documents you need, and tell you what to expect after you apply. First, check whether you're automatically enrolled. If you're already receiving Social Security benefits when you turn 65, Medicare will enroll you automatically in Parts A and B and mail you a card. If you're not yet drawing Social Security, maybe you're still working or delaying benefits, you must apply actively. Most people who call Social Security confused about Medicare enrollment fall into this second category. Before you start the online application, gather these documents. You won't need to upload anything, the application just asks for information from these sources. Have your Social Security number ready, your birth information, citizenship details if you're not a natural-born citizen, and information about any current health coverage. The employment history is needed to verify quarters worked for Part A eligibility. Military service can affect your premium. Go to ssa.gov/benefits/Medicare and click Apply for Medicare only. You'll be prompted to create or log into your My Social Security account. The application walks you through 5 main sections: personal information, Social Security history, current health coverage, employment information, and review. You can save your progress and return later if needed. The whole process typically takes 10 to 20 minutes. Pay close attention to these questions in the application. The most important: are you choosing Part A only or both Parts A and B? If you have active employer coverage from your own job, you may want to delay Part B and choose Part A only. The application asks about current health coverage in detail because Social Security needs to determine whether you qualify for a delayed enrollment special enrollment period. Answer these questions accurately, mistakes can cause enrollment problems. After submitting your online application, you'll receive a confirmation number, write it down. Within a week or two, a letter arrives from Social Security confirming the application. Your actual Medicare card, the red, white, and blue card, arrives within 3 to 4 weeks and shows your Medicare number and the effective dates for each part. Once you have your Medicare number, you can shop for Part D drug plans and Medigap supplements. If online application isn't your preference, you can call Social Security at 1-800-772-1213. Have your documents ready, the representative will walk through the same application questions by phone, usually in 30 to 60 minutes. For complex situations, like foreign birth, complicated coverage history, or disability-based enrollment, visiting a Social Security office in person may be the best option. Bring original documents as originals may be required. A few issues can arise after applying. If 4 weeks pass with no Medicare card, call 1-800-Medicare. If your effective date is wrong, especially if you wanted earlier coverage, contact Social Security immediately. Retroactive corrections are limited and time-sensitive. If you accidentally decline Part B when you meant to enroll, you'll generally need to wait for the general enrollment period, January 1st through March 31st each year, with coverage starting July 1st and a potential late penalty. Signing up for Medicare online takes about 15 minutes and is one of the most important steps toward a secure retirement. Subscribe to Everyday Wealth Guide for more Medicare and retirement guides every week.